Hi, I'm Tim McCain, Donley, 40 Galleon. Hey, I'm here to talk about a feature I really like on the Bronco Sport Badlands Edition. You may have one of these and don't know you have. It's called Trail Control for off-road enthusiasts, but I want to hop in and I want to show you how this works. All right, what I want to show you is this feature. It's really cool. It's like an off-road cruise control with the Badlands Bronco. Down here is this button. I'll show you how easy this is to work. We're going to hit this button here. We're going to hit set. So this is just like cruise control on the road, but I can go as low as 1 mile an hour. I can speed up even faster. So what this does for you when I'm off-road, going through those nice trails, I can take my time and explore everything. I'm not pampering the gas all the time. But if I want to speed up, I just speed up the cruise control like I would a normal cruise control. I'm going to come up here and I'll show you what else it does, which I think is really cool. When you hit the brake, it doesn't cancel the cruise control. But I'm going to put this in reverse, and it'll also take off in reverse as well. And it's hitting the gas for me and everything. But hey, come into Donley 40 Galleon today and let me demonstrate how this works for you. You have a great day.